The need for sustainable buildings is more important today than ever before. At Optimuse, we aim to make this possible with our software by reducing planning time, efficiently managing complexity, and increasing quality. Let us show you how we enable you to use our solution in just 3 steps. After you created your free account, you can upload your BIM model in step 1. Once you have selected a model, the software performs a quality check. This way, we ensure high quality of the data right from the start. After you upload your model, you will be redirected to the overview within your browser where you can see your model. You can see the model structure on the left side and navigate your uploaded BIM model using the project navigation tree. Additionally, you see a search bar that allows you to search by rooms, device types, or even specific stories. You can see a high-performance view in the middle, which helps you to interact with your model. In order to find more information about your project, look on the right side of your screen. After we have clarified the setup, let us move on to the second step. Therefore, click the Optimize button on the right. You can currently choose between 2 different devices, but don't worry, more devices will follow soon within the next weeks. After the device selection, you can choose a country from the DACH region whose regulations you would like to have considered in your optimization. Now you can press Optimize, take a short coffee break and use the Optimuse software to complete it in only 20 minutes. To provide the best solution for your building, we leverage cutting-edge technology by using AI, generative design, and graphs analysis. This way, we highlight one optimized solution per room, including the numbering and the configuration of all devices. Therefore, our software proposes alternatives that you can explore in order to find the best option. Once you select an alternative, we integrate it into our file structure. We want to provide the correct data to enable you to make informed decisions. You can evaluate all rooms one by one and filter the various solutions by selecting one of the 3 following objectives: coverage, number of devices, and axial alignment. Let's move on to downloads. Here we support native IFC, native Revit, and CSV. One of the significant advantages is that no CAD or BIM skills are needed for quoting. We want to offer you the best possible solution, which is why we can be integrated into various systems without any login effect. Are you ready to dive into a more sustainable future with our automatic planning and optimization of technical systems and buildings? Book a demo or contact us for more information. Happy optimization with Optimuse.